So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space / release and then click on enter. And now you want to type in ipconfig space / renew and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter again. Next is going to be netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. For the next command, you want to type in netsh space int space ip space reset. Click on enter. And now for the last command, you want to type in netsh space edv firewall space reset and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.